Yeah, so I'm on my new sailboat. New to me, it's from 1970. It's a good sailboat. Got it for $1,000, so that's awesome. Like, kind of like it with this one, and having my first coffee. You know, yeah, it's been good. I've been here for a couple hours. I don't know, just chilling. You know, just kicking back. I just feel the water bouncing, and met my neighbor. He's next door. He's about to go to Mexico, and so yeah, it's a good day. First day in the culture, the community, the sailing world, the boat world. It feels good. So Callie wasn't too into it, so I put her back in the car. But I think when I put her bed in here or something, I don't know, she'll be more comfortable. But yeah, it's really awesome. I think, yeah, this neighbor guy, he told me like people get $10,000 boats for like $1,000 as long as it's like this one where there's something with the title, or it was repoed or whatever, because someone did pay the dock fee. So I'm just gonna pay the dock fee and have this cool ass boat. And yeah, the guy who sold it to me, there was a guy, like an old timer, looked like, I don't know, like Spanish speaking dude, like, but he was walking around. He has some injury on his hand, but the guy said he will work for $20 an hour, like working on boats. So, you know, there's a community around here, and I've noticed that in ports, and I have a good amount of experience with boat world, and I've known and close to a few people, and still close to some people that have boats, and I've known for a long time it's a good option. It's a good way to, you know, have a nice place and be in nature, and it's sort of an alternative living thing that I'm always interested in exploring, because I want to uncover tricks that people can use to save money and have a more freedom and less, you know, less oppression in life. And so yeah, this was something good to prove that, you know, you can buy a boat and it only costs $1,000. And I gotta register and stuff, but it's not too bad. I mean, he explained about the different fees. It's not bad, so I'm stoked, and I'm just resting here. It's Christmas. This is my coffee, but this is also a coconut water check-in. So yeah, you should follow me on my journey with this boat, and it's gonna be cool. I'm excited.